can now run our program to find out its output, right? So first of all, we have to enter number. Then after enter number, you will get the square of that number. For example, when you enter like 2, you see the square of 2 is equal to 4, right? Hello guys, welcome in a C++ programming language lesson. Yeah, in this video I'm going to show you how you can write a C++ program that read number and display its square, right? Yeah, to write a program that read number and display the square of that number. Yeah, the first step as usual is to make a variable declaration. Now we are going to make variable declaration. We are going to declare the number, right, by using integer data type int num, right? Yeah, now out enter number like this. Then we have to put here end line. Yeah, just now seeing num as our variable, this represents a number. Yeah, then after this you can now display it square by using this statement out the square of number, maybe of, then you can put here like this, the square of then num, our num, then is equal to, like this, is equal to, then number, you know that square of number is number times number. That's why here we have to put here this formula, number times number, right? This is the square of number. When we take number and multiply with itself, we get square of that number. Then here, but here you have to put here this operator, and then here end line, right? So this is a simple but super program that read the number from the user and display its square. Also here you can use the function, which is a power function. But for power function you can find the different powers of number, but here is specific, is only about square of a number, power 2. Yeah. So if you missed the previous lesson where you can use the mathematical function to find the power of a given number, please watch this video and you will be able to do it, right? Yeah, let me now make comparison of our video of our program, right? Then save it as square like this, then click on save here. Then to make comparison of errors, you see there is no error. We can now run our program to find out its output, right? So first of all we have to enter number. Then after enter number you will get the square of that number. For example, when you enter like 2, you see the square of 2 is equal to 4, right? Yeah, this is this statement written here, right? Yeah, this one says that the square of number is equal to then number times number. Yeah, now I can also run and enter the different number from 2. I can now enter like 5. Remember the square of 5 is 5 times 5, which is equal to 25. Right, you see the square of 5 is equal to 25. Yeah, this is the simple way you can write a C++ program that display the square of a given number, right? Yeah, let me thank you for watching this video, and I hope that if you are new here, you already subscribed this channel If not, please, it's time. Subscribe this channel, like this video and share it to your colleagues so as to access to these stunning lessons, right? Yeah, thank you for watching. See you in the next video.